Jaguar has announced the launch date for its first ever electric SUV, the I-Pace, in the Indian market. The new Jaguar I-Pace electric SUV will go on sale in India from the 23rd of March 2021. The launch has been delayed from the previous 9th of March as previously stated. Bookings for the electric SUV in India officially began last year itself. Customers can book the electric SUV either online or by visiting company dealerships across the country. Deliveries for the Jaguar I-Pace will commence soon after the SUV's launch in the market. Jaguar has also announced that their retailer network has started gearing up for the launch of the electric SUV. The company announced that 22 dealerships in 19 cities across India are now EV ready in terms of charging infrastructure as well as sales and after-sales support. The charging infrastructure from Jaguar Land Rover extensively covers the metro cities and other key urban hubs as well. Retailers across the country have also received in-depth training and dedicated courses on the EV by JLR, enabling them to cater to all customer requirements and queries. Jaguar Land Rover has currently set up over 35 EV chargers at their retailer facilities across India. The Jaguar I-Pace can be charged using Tata Power's Easy Charge network, which has over 200 charging points across India. These charging networks have been installed at convenient locations such as malls, restaurants, offices, residential areas, and even on the highways. Rohit Suri, President and Managing Director for Jaguar Land Rover India, said, "Electric vehicles will not just be a new mobility solution, but owning one will also be a new ownership experience. We recognize this and have worked relentlessly with our retailers to ensure that owning an EV is truly a hassle-free experience for our customers." Talking about the electric SUV itself, the upcoming Jaguar I-Pace is set to offer a host of features and equipment. The I-Pace SUV will be offered in a range of 3 variants, the S, SE and HSE, featuring LED headlamps, 19-inch alloy wheels, a dual-tone touchscreen system, a full-length glass roof, 4-zone climate control, an air purifier, a heads-up display, and more. The Jaguar I-Pace will come powered by a 90 kWh battery pack, sending power to 2 electric motors. Combined, the electric powertrain is said to produce 400 brake horsepower and 696 Nm of peak torque. Jaguar claims the I-Pace will be able to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in 4.8 seconds and hit a top speed of 200 km/h. While there is no AR/AI certified range figured yet, the official WLTP rated range of the I-Pace on a single charge is 470 km. As mentioned before, the Jaguar I-Pace can be charged via the charging points set up at the brand's retailer network or use the Easy Charge network of Tata Power. The British car maker will also offer customers a complimentary 7.5 kW AC wall-mounted charger as well. The Jaguar I-Pace will be the second premium all-electric SUV to be launched in the Indian market, post its rival the Mercedes-Benz EQC. The I-Pace will also take on the upcoming Audi e-tron, which is also expected to go on sale very soon. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.